First, locate the seam on your Hyundai Sonata key fob. The seam is the visible line where the two halves of the fob meet. Gently pry it open using a plastic pry tool or a flathead screwdriver. Insert the tool into the seam near the keyring and twist gently. If it's stuck, apply gentle heat from a hairdryer to soften any glue. Avoid excessive force to prevent damage to the casing. If you encounter corrosion, clean it using isopropyl alcohol. Remove the old CR2032 battery, noting the positive side is up. Insert a new, fresh CR2032 battery. Ensure it's securely in place with the positive side up. Reassemble the fob by snapping the two halves back together. Test the remote's functionality by pressing the lock and unlock buttons. If it doesn't work, try cleaning the contacts with isopropyl alcohol. If issues persist, consider professional reprogramming or replacing the entire fob.